Hey everyone, it's expressAmber, and today I just want to talk about what happens if you miss the IRS Form 2290 deadline. My first piece of advice is don't miss it. There is plenty of time to prepare and make sure that you file on time. With Express Truck Tax, we started offering the 2021-22 Form 2290 back on May 14th. That's a long time ago. So you don't want to miss the deadline. You still have about 2 weeks to file. So if you have not filed your Form 2290, go file now at expresstrucktax.com. If you don't have the money to pay, you want to choose either mailing a check or money order, paying with a credit or debit card. If you enter your bank account in that section as EFW, it will be automatically drafted from your account within 1 to 2 business days. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what happens when you don't file. You get these nasty grams called IRS letters, and they start coming, and they basically tell you, you didn't file, you didn't file, you didn't file, and you didn't pay. And so now I'm going to give you all of these IRS penalties. And so what happens is that you start getting penalized about 4.5% month over month for not filing. And that continues to grow. When you file on time, but you can't quite pay it on time, that drops down to 0.5%, so 0.05. That drastically reduces those IRS penalties. So again, I know that every single day, every single dollar counts for you, and I completely understand that and I get that, but I want for you to file your 2290 on time so that you're not getting penalized by the IRS. When you file on time and don't pay, again, those IRS penalties are reduced by about 4%. So if you haven't filed your Form 2290 for the 21-22 tax year and your truck was on the road starting in July of 2021, you have about 2 weeks left. And there's a lot of truckers out there that have not filed, and I want to make sure that you guys get it done in time. So we are here in our office here in Rock Hill. If you go to our Facebook page, Express Truck Tax, and you search, you'll see that guys are coming in to file their 2290s. Of course, we're crazy busy out in the support center, which is wonderful, but I wanted to make sure that you are aware that the deadline is just in a little bit under 2 weeks, and you need to file your 2290. So again, if you haven't filed, go to expresstrucktax.com, log into your account. If you're not a client of Express Truck Tax, what are you waiting for? There's no other better provider. We have it all. And so create an account, file your 2290, and if you have any questions, of course, we're here. We have email support, live chat support, and phone support. So if you have questions, give us a call, send us an email, send us a live chat. We're happy to help with any kind of questions that you might have, but please file before the deadline on August 31st. And the earlier, the better. And there's a couple reasons why. If your return is rejected because of a mistake, you'll have some time to correct that. And also, you want to make sure that you get your payment out on time. So if you are able to make that tax payment, your check has to be postmarked by August 31st. If you choose EFTPS, that has to be scheduled by 8 p.m. on the 30th. If you choose credit or debit card, you want to make sure that you make that tax payment in enough time that the tax payment clears your account. Make sure it doesn't bounce back or anything like that. And then, of course, with electronic funds withdrawal, as long as you file on time on the 31st, that is going to be an automatic withdrawal within 1 to 2 business days. So again, file now, file now, file now. If you haven't filed, go file now. All right, if you have any questions, let us know. 704-234-6005.